Stock option tradings. Top 2 cheap call options set to explode in March. After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know how to trade call options. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. For March 2nd to March 6th, 5 trading days, I made over 2,900, so around 3,000. Until March 9, 6 trading days, 3,300. So from the beginning of the year, January to until now, I made over 71,000, close to 72,000. So you might think, hey, the stock market must be doing really well, right? Because you are making so much money. And actually, no. If you look at stock market, S&P 500 year to date is down negative 0.4%, right? It's up, down, up, down, up, down. It's not moving at all. So for 1 year, if you look at it, 21.04%. And for 5 year, S&P 500 is 72.34%. So this year is not moving at all. So for Nasdaq, year to date is even down 2.09%. And 1 year is 30.23%. So compared to last year, this year is nothing, right? 5 year, it's not even double the return yet, 70.34%. So for until March 9, S&P 500 was up yesterday 1.3%. So that's the only reason why this is really pulled it up a little bit. You see up, down, up, down, up, down. It stayed down negative 2.32%. So it's not moving at all. Dow Jones year to date 0.88%, and 1 year 14.42%. 5 years not that much impressive, but you can boost the return if you just invest in S&P 500 and you making negative 2.1% one month, year to date negative 0.91%, but you can boost the return, right? Seems to be the already broken the support. You see, this is going to be support, this is going to be support, but here it broke the support. So now we are at the resistance level right here. So if it breaks resistance level, it could go up more. If it doesn't break, it could go down further more. So how could you boost your return even though the stock market is not doing well? By trading options and also advanced options. If you want to learn more how to boost your return regardless of market conditions, subscribe this channel. So call option number 2 is going to be Robinhood. Robinhood 75 strike price, expiration date May 15. So you still have so much time. Right now it's at the beginning of March. And when I traded, it was around 11.5, so 1,150. If you have only 1,150, you could just trade this call option on February 13. So in 13 days, it's up 41.3%. 13 trading days, 16.25. So 1,625. You turn 1,100 into 1,600, right? It's because Robinhood was up for the past few weeks. See, the past 5 days it was up 3.78%. Year to date it stayed down. See, this is where the opportunity lies. Year to date it stayed down 31.13%. 1 year is up double. It's very normal. Most people expect, oh, I want to have made 2 or 3 times return. There's always a pullback. Always a pullback. 5 year, it definitely be S&P 500. Right? But look at today, pre-market is up, right? You can use this my call option, right? If you want to write it. It is already pulled back a little bit. The past 5 days, it's all up. Then it pulled back a little bit. It came back again, right? So that's why I want to give you what I'm trading right now and what my students are trading right now. So that you can take advantage of it. This is not financial advice. You also need to do your own due diligence. Then you make a decision to trade. It's all up to you. Why do I trade Robinhood? Because Robinhood has momentum. It's based on crypto market. Crypto market has been down, so that's why it's down. Once it recover, then Robinhood is gonna recover. And plus, Robinhood is expanding into other markets like in UK, and also they have the prediction market as well. So other people are gonna be they are addicted to prediction, right? It's very easy. You don't need to know how to trade stock. You don't need to know how to trade options, and you can just bet on an outcome. So that's pretty easy stuff, and people they like to bet on whatever the event's gonna be. So Robinhood is in that market. So that's why I'm bullish on Robinhood. So you know what? On March 5th, I got 41.3% return. So now you can make use of it as well. Option number one is gonna be Robinhood as well, but slightly different. Strike price 85, and expiration date is December 18. So you have so much time. When Robinhood recovers, this option is gonna be call option is gonna be multiple. When I bought it, it was 16.73, so 1,673. You need to pay more because expiration date is longer. But if you select a higher strike price, you pay less. So I'm balancing between expiration date and strike price. So 75 and 85 in December. Very simple. Then after that, the same day, I traded on the same day, February 13th. On March 5th, it is up 23.73%. Of course, this is up more because this is a shorter expiration date and plus lower strike price. So this normally, even though stock move the same, this is up more than this option. So why do I choose longer day option than when I need to pay more? Because of expiration date. The shorter the expiration date, the higher time decay. This option could lose more money, more intrinsic value, more value, time value, as we get closer to May. But I believe Robinhood has a long run. So this could become more valuable as the time goes by, and as Robinhood rebound and uptrend, then this will be more valuable. So that's why I bought it at the same time. But I want to show it to you the difference between shorter date and longer date. Longer date, yeah, initially it may lag behind the shorter date, but longer date has a longer timeline so that you can maximize the run. So these are the two call options. So which one are you going to buy? Which one do you think gonna hit your profit target first? Comment down below. So Robinhood, how to trade call options? I have Robinhood. I have 400 shares of Robinhood, and so right now it's 13,000. 14,000 profit, 74.38%. Of course, Robinhood used to hit 150,000. So my return is like 3 times, 400%. 3 times means 200% return, right? 200% return. That's pretty good. So why did you not sell? Remember, a stock, if you invest in stock, give yourself at least 1 year or 3 years, 5 years. I bought it in less than 1 year, I believe. Yes. So I don't want to sell it because 3 years or 5 years is going to be magic number. So when a company they do research and development, they expand into new markets, it takes time to see more revenue, more profit, more cash flow, profit margins to go up. It takes time. So these things take time. So sometimes stock may not move for 3 years. Then on the 4 year, 3 year, it could like 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, right? So if you just hold it for 3 years and you say, oh, this stock is not moving, I'm just gonna sell it, you're losing a lot. It could just go up at the end of 3 years, the beginning of 4 years, it could go up 2 times. Then after that, another 3 times, right? On the 3rd year, then you're losing out a lot. The return could be much higher if you just hold it for 5 years. So I want to hold it. So if you're afraid of losing money by holding, because I don't want to lose 150 to 78 or $80, you could use put option. Just buy put options, and when the stock goes down, your put option is gonna go up, and that's gonna make up for the down in the stock. So that's simple but not easy. You need to learn more about how to trade stocks and stock option. So how do you trade that? So let's say you don't have, for now, for May 15, my call options and 75 is $13 right now. So you say I don't want to use 1,300. I only have probably 1,000 or less. So you could just choose March, April 17. So about a month earlier, $75 is only 1,000. Like you could just pay 1,000, $10, then ride the wave up. Of course, the reason why I choose May is because I want to get more time. So there's always a reason. I always choose the highest probability trade. I hope you enjoy my gift today. So if you want to get more gift like this, go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto. Check out my playlist: stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, and day trading movement stock, and cryptocurrency too. So if you want to reach out to me, the link gonna be in the description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.